Cloth simulation is far more than just eye candy. It's a powerful tool in modern 3D art. Today, we're exploring the top use cases of this technology and why it's a total game changer. Let's dive into the physics of fabric. First, the fashion industry. Designers now use high-end simulations to see exactly how a fabric will drape and move before a single thread is ever cut. It's digital tailoring at its finest, saving both time and resources. In movies and gaming, cloth sims bring characters to life. Whether it's a hero's cape fluttering in the wind or realistic clothing in a AAA game, these simulations add that essential layer of weight and secondary motion that makes a digital world feel grounded. Even in architectural visualization, the impact is massive. Subtle details like soft curtains catching the light or realistic wrinkles on a sofa turn a sterile render into a lived-in, authentic space. Mastering this technology is the perfect blend of technical precision and artistic vision. If you found these use cases interesting, hit that like button and subscribe for more 3D insights. Let's keep creating.